Hello everyone, friends, you are on the Wevelers canal. Today, I am going to show you how to install Android Studio on Windows 11. Go to any browser, write Android Studio, and click Download and install Android Studio. Click Next, Next, and click on the link here, and click Download Android Studio. Put it down, accept the terms for downloading. Next, we will download this X file. We wait. Open this executory file, by the way, quite a large one and 3 gigabytes, so it may be a little long for you. This is the installer we have to open. I didn't even have time to do it. Confirm with the administrator and accordingly, click Next. We are waiting. Here, let's choose both here. Click Next, select the installation folder. Accidentally launched 2. Select the installation folder. I'll select Drive E, create an Android Studio folder here. Click Next, do not create shortcuts. In my case, click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Click the Next button and click Finish. Here we are launching Android Studio respectively. Click Don't. Well, how do you want to send or not send statistics, right? And we will open, accordingly, Android Studio. That's it. And accordingly, you can use it. Select Standard Settings. Next, select the license, SDK. If you, accept, click Next. Basic things are being installed. After completing these processes, click Finish. Here we have Android Studio ready. That's all. Wevelers was with you. Subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.